So tonight we will be sharing to you some concepts from this book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future, Become Your Own Financial Educator. So all the topics, all the concepts that we'll be uh, tackling tonight will be just from this book so that it's more simpler. Okay. So I'll be your financial educator tonight. So I joined IMG since 2016. And right now I'm a full-time financial literacy advocate uh, because I believe that IMG has a lot of good things that help my family. Because before I met IMG, I was in a corporate world wherein I have income, but basically I struggled financially. So I never understood why I still struggle even though I have enough income. So uh, when I met IMG, I realized that financial education was uh, the lacking or the missing piece. So that's why right now I'm here in IMG, uh, being a full-time financial educator. Right. So who is IMG? So IMG is International Marketing Group. We are a community wherein we inspire everyone to uh, accomplish their financial goals through financial education, because we believe that with the right financial knowledge, we will be able to, for ourselves, we will be able to uh, make sound financial decisions. Kasi most of the time, we just know some uh, facts or some ideas, some information, but we never, we were afraid to do some financial decisions because uh, basically missing the missing piece is financial education. Hindi natin alam on how to really execute. That's why IMG is here, a community to inspire you, okay, to execute your financial goals. That's why we are called the one-stop shop, because everyone has financial needs. And when you say financial needs, it's not just about uh, life insurance. It's not just about healthcare. It's the total package. That's why we call it the total financial solution. So we impart to you financial knowledge, and we guide you so that eventually you have the wisdom already. Okay, that's the total financial solution. Financial knowledge and wisdom rolled into one. So that's financial education. And right here we have uh, our mentors. So basically, in our financial uh, journey, most of the time in the past, we just uh, receive our, what they call that, guidance from our neighbors or maybe mga kakilala natin. But ang totoo pala, the right thing to do is we just need to follow the people who are financially successful already. And these guys, our mentors, are financially successful already, and we just need to follow them, what they do, what they are been learning so far. So that's why here in IMG you have the opportunity to follow the financially successful already, and these are our mentors, Sir Joanne, Sir Noel, and Sir Bart, together with Brother Bo. So kilala natin si Brother Bo. uh, these three guys are Brother Bo's mentor. So if you have observed, Brother Bo has a lot of books, and some of his books, his writings were my financial education yung laman, kasi he got it from the mentors here in IMG. Okay? So also in our together with us is Corina Sanchez. She also believes that financial education is key in our battle towards isugpo natin yung poverty, kasi yan yung ultimate parang pandemic na noon pa na naging pandemic na yan, ang poverty sa Philippines. And also with us is Ms. Sharon Cuneta, who is the advocate or the ambassadress for Manila Bankers Life, right? And Tito Boy Abunda, who is also our uh, ambassador for Manila Bankers Life. Okay. So can you excuse me for a while? I'll check something. All right. So pasensya na po. Okay. So nandito kasi sa bahay. So may ano. All right. So this is our mission, right? So to spread financial literacy to 30 million families by 2030. So this campaign is our commitment to financially educate and empower 30 million families or 30 million Filipinos by 2030. And the good thing is you are already here. You joined this seminar and you are already counted. So just ask the person, your friend who invited you to register you to this campaign because every day the number is rising. As you can see, we are past 2 million already. And uh, we have this counter. Just key in your name, your last name, your email address, and your mobile number. And just by giving those details to your friend who invited you, then he or she can register you to this campaign. All right. So you are part of the very big campaign, a massive movement, so that we can educate a lot of families, including our families, starting from our families. Okay. So our mission is very simple to help create wealth for families, so that no family will be left behind. So that's a noble mission kasi walang ibang company na merong ganitong mission, create wealth for our families. And we are here to build a new financial industry. And the new financial industry is uh, nandito na, di ba? Yung mga DIY, di ba? Yan yung mga new financial industry. And IMG is here. We are a platform with a very simple system, a clear and a fast global system that everyone can really achieve. No, so no matter what background you have, IMG is here to guide, to educate because lang yung mission ni IMG. IMG is a financial education company. We are here to help everyone understand what uh, the concept and the concepts and what really is personal finance. Kasi simple lang yan. We have a lot of information na nandyan sa internet, medyo complex na, no? Ang dami, no? But here in IMG, we just share to you the very basic concepts that could help us achieve our financial goals. Okay? So, sabi dito ni Brother Bo sa book, friend, this book is your ticket to upgrading your financial life. Read it, devour it, and share it with people who need a financial revolution in their life. So, financial revolution meaning uh, yung yung mindset natin about uh, personal finance or yung pera noon, dapat natin i-upgrade, no? Dapat natin we need to parang baguhin na natin kasi nung una parang okay na pag meron lang savings or ganon. Ngayon iba na, no? Dapat we have to parang sasabay tayo sa parang pag ano ng panahon kasi ito lang yung kulang sa atin kasi most of the time parang komportable lang tayo, okay na ako sa ganitong knowledge or situation, but we need to have financial revolution, right? So sabi dito ni Brother Bo, and this is a very common reality, no? I have a lot of friends na mababait, madasalin, magagaling at matatalino pero baon sa utang and they struggle financially. Very true because when it comes to securing and saving for the future, many good people fail. Right? Sabi dito sa book, smart people fail, hardworking people fail, young people fail, and even old people fail, no? Mga seniors. And ang nakakagulat is even professionals, they also fail. Bakit kaya? Okay? So Many end up retiring without enough savings. So these people don't set out to fail. They do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finance. So yun lang, no? Bakit ang daming may magandang trabaho, magandang profesyon, malalaking negosyo, pero pagdating sa retirement, mabalitaan natin or may marinig na natin, mayroon tayong maririnig na stories about uh, people struggling financially, no? Kasi ito lang, many lack financial education talaga. 'Di ba? Sabi natin kanina, financial education is not just about insurance, it's not just about healthcare or something, investment, it's the whole package. Kaya total financial solution, right? So sabi dito sa book, financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Okay? Kahit anong background natin, may background sa business, may profession, kahit ano, okay? Kahit sino, right? It's for everyone. So this book is dedicated to every person who wants to take charge of his or her financial future. Yan lang talaga. Kasi pag nabasa mo tong book, ng book na to, na na internalize mo, dito mo malaman na may ang dali pala ng personal finance pag i-follow lang natin. Kasi i-combine natin yung knowledge at saka action para ma-experience natin. At once ma-experience natin, tayo yung nag-apply, yan yung wisdom, di ba? Knowledge, in-apply natin, magkaroon ka ng wisdom. Kahit anong tawag nun, kahit anong mga struggles, mga challenges, makayanan natin kasi may financial wisdom tayo. And yan ang gusto natin dito sa IMG. Okay? So, bakit natin ginagawa ito? So, kasi we recognize that we have increasing challenges in 4 major areas. So, a lot of Filipino people, a lot of Filipinos still are struggling with in these 4 major areas. And the first is uncertain labor market kasi most of us are working, right? We have jobs, but when we depend too much on that job, if that company or that job will be taken out from you or taken away from you kasi magsarado yung company, nag-cost cutting, di ba? Yan yung uso ngayon sa pandemic. Redundancy, layoffs, di ba? Yan yung common na terms. And if we just focus on one source of income, then challenge yan. Kaya dito sa IMG, we are here to recognize that this is a challenge, but we also need to know that that challenge can also have a solution, ultimate solution, right? And another uncertainty is on the labor market is yung tinatawag na automation. A lot of companies are investing in automation, mga computerized or mga ang daming upgrades, no, sa mga sistema nila. So like for example sa Jollibee doon sa SM, pagpasok mo may isang area na pwede ka nang doon ka na mag-order, right? Parang kiosk, oh, doon ka na mag-order tapos mag-antay ka na lang, no? If once mag-pay ka, mag-antay ka na lang, tawagin mo ang pangalan mo. So parang 'di ba nung una ang daming ano niyan, mga cashier, pero ngayon pwede ng kiosk. So automated na. So that's eventually automation or the robotics or this technological advancement will replace human labor, right? So dapat aware tayo at dapat be proactive na tayo. Dapat nating paghandaan, right? That's the key word, paghandaan natin, okay? And then the second is the low savings and high debt. So most of the time yung mga retirees, no, yung pag nalaman natin, oh, retiree na, so expected uh, may pera na or something like that. But most of the time malaman natin wala palang pera or yung the worst thing is ang daming utang kasi Filipinos by culture, when they need something, when something comes up, yung unang ma-think of natin na solution is loan, di ba? Si ano nagpa-loan, or si itong company madali lang mag-loan, di ba? Yan yung one ID lang or one day processing, di ba? Happy na tayo. Ganun. Pero we should change that mindset. Okay? So here in IMG, we should face the fact that that's the what they call that, the old mindset or the old strategy. We should right now, this is 2020 and moving forward, we should have ano uh, we should upgrade our financial strategy, and here in IMG we can help you, okay, address that, right? And the third, ito, high cost of education. Every 3 to 5 years nag-increase yung tuition fee. So if we have some our children are starting to study elementary or, di ba, we should also find a solution to save, no, for college fund ng mga kids natin. So, and saving is good, but it's not enough. So we should find an investment vehicle that while we save, there's also something that is working. The money is also working para mag-compound siya. And later, I will discuss a concept that can solve this challenge, right? Kasi uh, hindi natin talaga mapigilan, all right? Tataas at tataas yung cost ng education, right? So the next is increasing cost of living. So palaging tataas yan yung mga prices ng commodities, no? So nung una, yung 1,000 pesos natin, if we go to a supermarket and buy groceries, we can still fill in a cart of grocery items for sa 1,000 pesos natin at 5 or 10 years ago. Pero ngayon, isang plastic bag na lang yan, yung 1,000 pesos mo, or isang item na lang. So talagang nag-increase yan. And paano natin ma-outpace yan? So dapat malaman natin on how money works, on how to outpace inflation. So good thing that you're here tonight, because we will share to you some concepts that can address these challenges. Okay, we can have ultimate solution because here in IMG, we are on more on a solution. Okay, kaya sinasabi ko nung una, the first slide, total financial solution, kasi we have the right information, and we have the right platform here in IMG, and the right community that can inspire you, that can guide you, and we find a solution, and together we will achieve that. So financial education is really key here in our quest to battle poverty. All right. So now our future is in our hands. Okay, we should not depend too much on our broker. Okay, or our employer or government. Okay, or the bank. So while we know how to make money already, we study for 4 years, 5 years in college, and we get a job, so we make money, or we get a business, so we make money. But it's up to us to really know how to save money, kasi hindi yan more on ano yung, or gaano kalaki yung kita mo. It's more about gaano kalaki yung natitira mo, gaano kalaki yung na-save mo. Okay, and you should also think about how to accumulate money. Patutubuin natin. Okay, kasi hindi lang yan we just leave it in a piggy bank that it will accumulate. No, we should understand how money works, and so that it can also, money can also work for us. Okay, because most of the time our mindset is we work for money all the time, but no, we should now understand that there's a concept that we can use so that we can let money work for us. While we work for money, side by side, money is also working for us also, so that eventually when we retire, when we decide to quit our job or uh, quit I mean, retire, meron na tayong enough money para komportable naman yung retirement natin. And here in IMG, that's the goal. Kasi all of this, we go seek a job, we have a business. All of these are focused in building a solid financial foundation. Ano ba ito? Ito yung priorities natin in life. Ito talaga yung mga priorities na dapat natin pag-focusan. And dito sa MJ, yan yung goal natin. We guide you, we inspire you to really focus on these priorities so that you have a solid financial foundation. And eventually, financial independence. Yung tinatawag nila wealthy. Yung financially free ka na. Hindi ka na mag-worry about money. Alright? Gusto niyo ba yon? Yung hindi tayo mag-worry na about money? Okay? So here, in our solid financial foundation, in building it, we should build it from the ground up. Okay? It's simple, like building a house. Okay? We build it from the ground up. And starting with healthcare. Yan dapat yung base. Kasi health is wealth. Right? Sabi dyan, short term plus long term. Yung short term, ano natin yan? Parang benefit natin yan as employee. It's important to have short term. Okay? If you are in a company right now, you have short term. Okay? And that's good. That's good for you. That's good for our needs. But also while you are healthy, while you are still working and you have a short-term healthcare, you should also now understand that the best time to prepare for the future is now. So get a long-term healthcare. Okay, that's what it's all about. The base of our uh, solid financial foundation, healthcare. And next is uh, protection or life insurance. Kasi most of the time, ano tayo, parang active tayo or we don't want mga, parang we just go with our lives but we don't know really kung kailan tayo kukunin ni Lord. So by now, we should be mature enough to understand that life insurance is our ally because life insurance is a protection for our family, not for us. Because once we are breadwinners, and once something happens to us, our families that are depending on our income, hindi sila mag-worry kasi may life insurance na mag-replace sa income natin. So that's the real purpose of life insurance, to protect our income so that our families can still continue. Okay? And while doing so, in building our financial education, we should also eliminate debts, yung utang. Kasi yan yung parang tagas sa balde. Okay? Kahit gaano mo kabilis or kahit gaano kalakas yung buhos ng tubig sa faucet, pag hindi mo na patch up yung tagas, hindi pa rin mapupuno. If mapupuno, mabawasan na din kasi may tagas eh. Dapat i-patch up natin. So the only thing to do about debts is to pay off your debts as soon as possible, right? And we should have emergency fund 3 to 6 months of our monthly income if you are single, and if you are married, 12 months of your income, so that when there's emergencies, kasi yung emergencies hindi yan parang may hindi yan nagbabalita na dadating ako by Monday. Hindi natin alam ito. So might as well build up emergency funds. And 3 to 6 months if you're single, and 12 months if you're married. All right? And if you ought to have emergency fund, dapat madali mong makuha and secure. So emergency fund, nasa bangko yan. Okay? Secure and dali mong makuha, dali mong withdraw. Right? And last in our solid financial foundation is build up savings and investments. Kasi ito yung mag-ensure sa iyo na may pera ka pagdating ng panahon na mag-retire ka na. Alright? So, these concepts are very simple, but if you have no background on whatsoever, nandito yung free financial workshops ni IMG. Yung mga mentors natin ang magtuturo talaga sa mga workshops. Workshop 1 to 5 yan. No? And paulit-ulit mong alamin ito kasi hindi naman ito parang one setting lang, alam mo na kaagad, no? Kaya mayroon tayong mga workshops para i-guide ka talaga on how to execute it because yung magtuturo ito is yung mga mentors natin na financially successful na. They have effective methods na talagang ginawa nila na i-share nila sa atin. So yan yung kagandahan if you become IMG member. May free financial workshops. Kasi pag hindi ka IMG member at mag-workshop ka sa iba or sa labas, isang workshop 2 to 3,000 for 3 hours lang, ganyan. And then hindi mo na mabalikan. Hingi ka lang ng slide sa lecturer, then tapos na yon. Dito sa IMG, we give you the information, pabalik-balik lang, pwede mong iulit-ulit, tapos may guidance, may proper execution. Talagang ihatid, ano ka talaga, i-guide ka until ma-reach mo yung goal mo. And good thing about these workshops is hindi mo na kailangan pupunta pa sa financial centers. Kasi online na ito. Pwede mo nang pwede ka na mag-attend nito on the comforts of your home, in your laptop, in your cell phone, right? Anytime. Okay? So master the basics in 30 days. Yan lang yung sabi dito sa workshop. Okay? I-master mo lang kasi yan yung key aspect yan eh. Mastery, okay? Repetition is the number one aspect in learning. Ulit-ulitin mo lang until ma-master mo. Alright? Kasi hindi ito pa hindi ito pang you don't need to be a genius to know personal finance. Basic lang to. The good thing is I'm just here to guide and to teach you everything about the basics. Alright? So when it comes to savings, meron tayong formula. And we for all of us here, siguro nagamit na natin itong formula, di ba? May formula tayong ginamit sa pag-save, right? Kahit ano man yan, pag i-sum up mo, may formula ka talaga. And this formula, I was also using this formula before I met IMG. And yan yung na-realize ko dito. Kasi parang moment yung narinig ko sa instructor din. Kasi I attended a lecture like this also 4 years ago. And ito yung pumatak sa isip ko. Baka iba yung ginamit na formula. So yan yung na-realize ko. Pag kita ko sa formula, oo nga no, ito yung formula. Pero sabi niya, sorry sir, that's the wrong formula kasi if ginamit mo itong formula, walang matitira kasi generally expenses are unlimited. Then yung income mo, fix yan. Monthly yan, di ba? Sa trabaho, monthly yung income. Pero yung expenses, monthly din. Pero unlimited, ang dami niyan. Hindi mo yan mamalayan na ang laki pala ng expenses ko. Eh, wala talagang matira na savings. And the worst, mag-negative. So utang yan. Mag-negative yung yung ang savings mo, negative yung savings. So utang ka. So from now on, erase natin yan. No? I-rearrange natin yung mga items dyan para maging the right formula. And here na IMG, ito yung formula na recommend namin kasi ito talaga yung the right formula. Income minus savings is equal to expenses. So pagka kuha natin ng income sa trabaho or or sa negosyo, titira, mag-allocate ka ng a portion para savings, para savings mo. Tapos, yung matitira talaga is expenses. Okay? And how to do it properly is ito yung abundance formula na tinatawag namin. Income minus 10% lang ng tithes, tapos 20% ng savings, the rest is expenses. So talagang if you just follow this formula, eventually, after several years or several months, may savings ka talaga, di ba? Kasi ito yung parang kulang sa atin, parang hindi natin namalayan na, oo nga pala, no? Kasi sanay na tayo mag-spend. Okay? I tell you, sanay tayo. Walang nagturo sa atin, pero actually, our minds, we were parang tinatawag yan, minindset tayo sa, di ba? We have a lot of parang sa TV, di ba? Sa media, hindi yan sila ano ng how to spend, but makita mo 50% off, buy now, or like that, di ba? Yung sa TV, invisible, parang unknowingly, tayo na sagap tayo ng mga information. So yung spending parang normal na. Kaya pag if somebody asks you to save, parang di ba? Parang uncomfortable ka kasi hindi ka sanay mag-save, hindi tayo sanay mag-save, pero sanay tayo mag-spend. Kaya nandito sa AMG para i-balance. We balance things out para hindi ka naman pagdating ng panahon, hindi ka naman behind. Okay? And we want everyone to achieve their financial goals. Okay? So from now on, think about this formula. This is our abundance formula na dapat natin sundin. Okay? So simulan natin, no? Simulan na natin gamitin ito. Starting today or today. Wag natin ipabukas. Starting today na, isulat natin dyan. Okay? Income minus 10% tithes, minus 20% savings. Ang mga matitira is expenses. Alright? So, this concept I'd like to share is this one. A very powerful formula na tinatawag na X-curve. Ang sabi dito, the concept theorizes that the person's responsibilities, okay, generally decreases and wealth increase over time. So if makikita nyo dyan, may red curve dyan or line, yung tinatawag na responsibility curve. Or sometimes I call this your expenses line. Okay? And meron ka ding wealth curve, yung green, di ba? Or sometimes we can call it savings. Savings line natin. So sa timeline natin, when we are younger and going to the older years, dapat maintindihan natin na during our younger years, okay, less secure pa tayo kasi nag-start pa tayo, di ba? Nag-start pa natin, no savings. And we work hard for money, di ba? Parang yung income is equals to expenses pa lang. When we started, this is the ideal explanation about this concept na kaka-start pa lang natin, no? At age of 20, 22, when we are fresh from college, or we are or legal age na, nagnegosyo ka or something, less secure ka pa kasi ang dami pang responsibilities. Di ba? Now, ang concept na to, parang picture yan sa financial life natin na dapat nating intindihan na by the end, by the older years, dapat mas ka na, mas secure ka na, or yung tatawag na, yung wealth curve mo, tataas na talaga. Yung savings mo, tataas talaga. Kasi, i-follow lang natin yung abundance formula na pinag-usapan natin earlier, ma-achieve natin ito, di ba? And once ma-achieve mo yung savings mo, unti-unti mong pinataas yung savings mo, generally, yung responsibility mo, bababa yan. Yung curve na yan, bababa yan. Every time there's a peso going up sa savings mo, there's also a responsibility nga na will go down, will drop. And eventually, mag-meet yan halfway and babaliktad yan. Tataas na yung wealth curve natin and yung responsibility bababa. Okay? And now, where we are here in our timeline, productive years natin yan, di ba? 20 to 60 years. Yan yung kadalasan productive years natin. We are working, we are into a business, we are a breadwinner, our families are depending on us, and there's only two major questions that we need to ask. What if I die too soon? Yun lang, di ba? Kasi hindi mo to ma-visualize if hindi mo to makita, hindi niyo na nakita ba? Kasi nung una, yung meron ding nag ano sa akin about insurance. Then sabi ko is, teka lang pare, ang bata-bata ko pa. We should not talk about life insurance. So when I met AMG, I was dumbfounded and na-realize ko talaga na ito pala yung pinagsasabi ng mama na lumapit sa akin na talking about life insurance kasi alam niya ito na concept. And it's normal talaga na allergic tayo sa word na life insurance kasi wala pa tayong financial education. I accept that when I met IMG. Even though nasa corporate world ako, wala akong financial education. Kaya nagtrabaho ako, may lalapit na life insurance agent, allergic ako kasi wala akong financial education. And, you know, wala talagang institution na nagtuturo ng financial education, IMG lang. That's why you are very fortunate. We are very fortunate. We are here in IMG Financial Literacy class. Okay? So yan. Yang insurance na yan, di ba? Sabit natin dun sa X-curve. I mean sa Solid Financial Foundation, di ba? Instant money yan. Just in case something happens to us. Okay? That's our ally. Okay? Kasi during these years, younger years, di ba, tingnan natin, no savings, less secure. So the solution is insurance kasi instant money yan. Okay? So we should be mature enough to understand already na ang life insurance is our ally. Okay? We are not, actually we're not selling life insurance here. We're just talking about the concept because this is a universal concept. Hindi to gawa ni IMG, hindi to gawa sa universal concept ito. Okay? Well, hindi lang tinuro. Kaya si IMG, talagang tinuro niya on how to really understand this concept. Basic concept lang to para maintindihan natin yung yung tinatawag priorities natin. Right? And sabi dito, when we get older, we should be ideally more secure. Kasi, di ba, pinataas natin yung wealth curve natin. Pinataas natin. Unti-unti, well, nagtrabaho tayo, may natira. Kasi nag-follow tayo sa abundance formula, di ba? May every year, tataas yung savings natin kasi abundance formula yung finalo natin. And eventually, yung responsibility natin, bababa yan. Kasi by the time na mag-retire tayo, yes, wala na tayong trabaho, di ba? Pero, by this time, siguro, tapos na yung pag-aaral ng ating mga anak kasi 18 years lang, 4 years nag-aaral sa college or something like that. So, by this time, siguro, tapos na mag-aaral yung mga anak natin. And siguro by this time, natapos na rin bayaran yung mga responsibilities natin like sa bahay, sa sasakyan, if may sasakyan tayong kinuha, di ba? Ideally. So dapat natin, this is a very great tool para maintindihan natin whatever situation we are right now, whatever our financial status right now, we use this concept as our tool to guide us to achieve financial success. And dito, sabi dito, well, we get older. At 60, retire ka na, di ba? Or maaga pa yung retirement age ngayon, di ba? Mas maaga na. What if we live too long? Meaning, wala ka ng trabaho, wala ka ng active income, di ba? So, paano yan yung mga needs mo? Needs natin while we grow old. Dapat may investments and long-term care. Yan yung pinag-usapan natin sa Solid Financial Foundation, right? Okay? So dapat natin i-just visualize or just refer to this concept on how to really achieve financial success. At ito lang, very simple, di ba? Wala, you don't need to be a genius to really understand. Just look at this and talagang this is information na pwede mong gamitin. And the good thing is, IMG is here to let you understand, and IMG is here to let you execute and guide you to really achieve your financial goals. Right? Now, itong next formula, I mean next concept, very powerful din. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag na the rule of 72. Ito na yung sinasabi natin kanina on how money works. Dapat natin intindihin na meron talagang ganito. Right? So it is a mathematical concept that approximates the number of years it will take to double the principal or our money at a constant rate of return. So, dudoble, dito natin makita, pag ginamit natin yung rule of 72, ma-approximate natin or malalaman natin kung kailan dudoble yung pera. Yan yung sinasabi dito. At a constant rate of return. So, dapat may interest rate talaga para tutubo yung money. Okay. This formula is very simple to use. 72 is a constant. I-divide mo lang on whatever percentage and it will give you the number of years your money will double. So in this example, 4% yung ginamit natin. Simple lang. Ang 72 divided by 4, the result is 18. So money doubles every 18 years at 4%. Diba? Correct? So 72 divided by 4 is 18. So here in this example, at age 29, may 100K siya. So siguro nag-start siya, nag-save nung pagkuha niyang na ng sweldo nung 22 siya nag-start ng trabaho. So at age 29, may naipon siyang 100K. Just for the sake of example, 100K yung in-invest niya. So if you look at it, 29 plus 18 years, di ba? 18 years magdodoble yung money. 29 plus 18 is 47. If you look at it, yung 100K niya naging 200. So nagdoble talaga. No? And another 18 years, 47 plus 65 is 18 years yan, di ba? 47 plus 18 is 65, di ba? Yung 200K niya naging 400. So meaning, makita natin by using this formula na, nga pala, no, pwede kong ma-foresee natin kung kailan dodoble yung pera natin. Okay, how about we double this percentage? Double. So 4 times 2 is 8. So i-double lang. Dinoble lang natin, no? Now, at 8%, money doubles every 9 years kasi 72 divided by 8 is 9. So same at the age of 29, same money, nag-compound yan every 9 years. 29 plus 9 is 38. Nagdoble yung 100K, naging 200. 38 plus 9 is 47. Nagdoble yung 200,000, naging 400,000. 47 plus 9 is 56. Ang 400,000, naging 800,000. 56 plus 9 is 65. Ang 800,000, naging 1.6 million. So dito pa lang sa formula na to, pwede mo nang ma-foresee kailan ka maging milyonaryo. Right? Just by using this simple formula, you can predict already when your money will become millions. Okay, wala kang ginawa. All you need to do is save up a sum of money and put it in an investment vehicle that yields 8%. So if we just know how money works, every time we know some investments or we go to some, we decide to invest, dapat alalahanin natin or we think of the rule of 72. Magkano ba yung interest rate? Kasi it will play a big factor talaga, 'di ba? So ano natin times 3 natin yung 4%, no? Yung initial natin na example. So naging 12%. So if you look at it, every 6 years nagdouble yung money. So very powerful, right? 29 plus 6, 35. So if you look at it, 100, naging 6.4. Okay? Yung 100K mo naging 6.4 if you apply 12%. Okay? So may millions talaga. Malalaman natin na by using this formula, you can achieve millions talaga. Right? So have we already solved the challenge na yung low savings and high debt? So pwede mo nang gamitin ito para makapag-save up ka. Para hindi ka na uutang. Kasi pwede itong rule of 72, pwede rin will work against you in the form of utang or loan. If nasa loan ito, tingnan nyo lang kung sino yung pinapayaman natin if ito yung percentage sa utang natin. Di ba? 1% per annum, per month. So 12% yan, yung loan mo. So tingnan na natin, di ba? So wag sana naman. Wag naman yung sa utang investment, dapat ilagay natin sa tamang investment. Ang tanong, saan ba tayo nag-i-invest ngayon? Okay? Nandito ba sa 4%, sa 8%, or sa 12%? So I hope we are investing at 8 or 12% kasi yan yung magbibigay ng malaking opportunity sa pera na mag-compound talaga. Right? So sa example natin, ang difference sa 1.6 at saka 400,000 is 4 times, di ba? 4 times. Just by using the formula and understanding na yung interest rate, malaking factor. Pero pag dating dito sa 12%, hindi triple or hindi 16 times na nag-compound yung pera natin. So mind you guys, if you think about some investment like yung tatawag yun sa bank, time deposit, di ba? Ilan yung percentage yan, di ba? Lower than 4% yan. So sometimes, for the sake of example, yung time deposit is nasa 4. Yung ginagawa ni bangko, mag-invest siya sa, pagkuha niya sa pera mo, i-invest niya at 12%. Para pagdating ng panahon na gagamitin mo na, di ba? Yung 400,000 na yield mo, ikuha lang yan sa 6.4. So ang matitira sa bangko is 6 million. Ang 400,000 ibigay sa iyo kasi nag-invest ka sa time deposit nila. So si bangko, yung yumayaman. So here, by just knowing this formula, it's about time na kung saan nag-invest si bangko, doon tayo mag-i-invest. Right? So I hope you got something there. Very simple lang yan. You don't need to be a genius. Just use a calculator. Ma-compute mo na yan. Okay? 72 divided by 12. That's the best investment or the best percentage rate or interest rate na pwede natin i-invest yung pera natin. Okay? So, dito napag-usapan natin yung insurance at saka long-term care. Okay? So, how much is really enough? So, may 10-20 rule yan lang yan. So, when it comes to life insurance, 10 times your annual income lang to properly protect your family. And when it comes to investments and long-term care, 20 times your annual income lang. Diba? Very simple. Wala ka ng ibang formula na gagamitin. Ito lang, 10-20 rule. Alright? So whatever you have right now, your income, multiply mo lang yan times 10. Yan yung dapat life insurance protection mo. And if you have whatever your income is right now, i-multiply mo lang yan ng 20, your annual income, 20 times your annual income. Yan yung investment and long-term care na dapat mayroon ka. So you start small and at least you have a target already. Okay? So we were talking earlier about savings and investment, and ito yung dito na tayo pag-usapan natin on how really savings in a bank or savings account is very too low. I mean, the interest rate in the savings account is very too low to offset inflation and taxes. Kaya sabi dito, savings alone is not enough. So kung mag-save ka lang, yes, it's good. It's good to save. Pero dapat alam na din natin na may interest rate na katapat yan palagi. Diba? Pinag-usapan natin yung compound interest or the rule of 72. So i-apply natin, diba? So dito sa IMG, we really need to understand some basic concepts na paano magtrabaho yung money. And kanina alam na natin, di ba? The rule of 72. And dito sa IMG, may tinatawag natin na concept na mutual funds. Ano ba itong mutual funds? Ito yung kasagutan sa sa tanong natin kanina na how to outpace inflation and taxes, 'di ba? High cost of living. So, yung inflation kinakain yan yung value ng money natin kasi currently yung inflation level is 2 to 3% or 2 to 4%. So, if we know the rule of 72, huwag ka nang mag-invest sa 4%, doon ka na sa 8 or 12% para ma-outpace natin yung inflation. May inflation, 4%, pero doon tayo sa 8%, meron pa rin matitira sa'yo. Hindi ka malugi. Oh, may matitira talaga. Alright? So, how about mutual funds and how it works? So, ito lang yung simple concept ni mutual fund. If you invest in mutual funds, you are part owner sa mga companies na to and you own shares sa blue chip companies. Ito yung blue chips, yung natawag na biggest companies in the Philippines. Okay? And you should invest in a long-term for a long-term goal. 'Di ba? High cost of education, 'di ba? Long-term goal 'yan. Kailan magka-college yung mga anak natin, 'di ba? Until they reach 16, 'di ba? So, long-term pa 'yan. 10 to 15 years. Okay? So, itong mutual funds, ang kagandahan nito is everyone can invest. Even you have as much as 1,000 pesos lang, makapag-invest ka na, no? So yung mutual funds is a investment company na nag-invest sa stock market, okay? If you directly invest in stock market, nagta-trade ka, that's direct investing. Ikaw lang talaga. Wala kang ibang kasali, ikaw yung pumili, ikaw yung mag-buy and sell. Ang dami mong aralin, no? Ang dami mong time na i-allocate, dami mong pera i-allocate kasi you need hundreds of thousands na capital para maka-invest. Kaya ito yung i-recommend namin kasi para sa lahat ito, indirect investing. No? Investors pool their money to invest in publicly traded companies. So isa ka sa investor na ito. No? Si mutual fund yung mag-invest, okay? Sasali ka lang, just put in some money, 1,000 pesos, 2,000, okay? And ito yung advantages, professional management. May fund manager talaga na magtutok sa fund. Okay, siya yung mag-allocate siya yung bahala sa asset allocation, siya yung pili depending on your risk profile or investment profile mo, saan mong gusto. Okay? Siya yung kung ano yung pwedeng i-invest. So diversified siya kasi hindi lang isa. Maraming companies yun, pwede yung 1,000 pesos mo, makapag-buy na ng multiple shares sa maraming companies. And liquidity kasi you can redeem anytime. Okay? Just like a bank account. Okay? Pwede mo ma-redeem yung gains mo sa mutual funds. Okay? And low minimum investment. Kasi as low as 1,000 pesos, especially if you're an IMG member, pwede ka nang makapag-invest sa mutual funds. And dagdag kalaman, itong mutual fund company or mutual funds, naka-align ito sa Investment Company Act of the Philippines. Okay? For sure, they are SEC registered, but they are also aligned sa Investment Company Act. So meaning may secondary license sila to solicit investment sa public. So hindi to basta-basta. Kasi once you complied sa Investment Company Act, meaning you have the legal you're a legal entity para makapag invest ka. Okay? So SEC registration is one thing, but the most important thing is naka-comply ka sa Investment Company Act. And mind you, this is the most common pitfall sa iba. Okay? Hindi sila wala silang license to be an investment company. Okay? Kasi hindi sila naka-comply sa Investment Company Act. Okay? So that's Investment Company Act, Republic Act 2629. So i-research niyo yan. Nasa internet lang yan. And matagal na yan, di ba? Nabatas September 1960s pa yan. Okay? Nabatas. So ang tagal-tagal na itong law na ito na enables a lot of Filipino people to invest But most of the time, hindi tinuturo kasi yung may alam lang yung nag-invest, hindi rin nila nag-allocate ng time para magturo. So dito si IMG, tinuro talaga kung how to properly accumulate your money. Okay? And it's through mutual funds. Okay? So sabi ko kanina, low capital requirement kasi as low as 1,000 pesos, pwede ka nang makapag-invest. Okay? And great equalizer kasi yung 12% na tubo, pareha din kahit gaano kalaki yung pera mo. 5,000 man yan or 1 million man yan, same yield, right? 12%, 12% ang yield, right? And transparency kasi as an investor, you have the right to ask or you will receive an email na will contain the financial report, no? Yung tinatawag na fund fact sheet. So kung ano yung mga funds na pinag-investan mo, makikita mo yung performance. So transparent talaga. Kung lugi ka ba or kung saan na ba sa gaano ba kalakas yung performance in accordance sa market, 'di ba? So as an investor, you have the right to know man, 'di ba? So transparent talaga. And ito yung pinakamaganda. Tax exempt, no? Gains realized by investors upon redemption of their mutual fund shares are excluded from the definition of gross income, therefore not subject to personal income tax. So yan, sinasabi sa batas, tax exempt. So meaning, we can solve a lot of challenges. Yung challenges kanina na may taxes, may inflation, dito na sa mutual funds. Alright? So we have a solution talaga. So hindi tayo nagbebenta ng ano dito. Concept lang ito. So if you want to further apply this, then join IMG. We can guide you. Right? The concepts are important and the application is more important. Okay? And we have to combine it para effective naman. So ito lang yung kanina, di ba? How much protection is enough? Illustration lang yan. Annual income times 10. So if you have a monthly income of 20K times 12, yung annual income mo is 240K. So times 10 is 2.4 million. That's the protection you need. Enough protection you need. Or higher if you want. Okay? And the more accurate formula is the dime method or the debt, yung utang mo, yung income mo, i-consider mo, yung mortgage mo, if may mortgage, sasakyan, bahay, and education sa mga anak, yung cost of education sa mga anak, pang college. So para meron talagang big sum of money para just in case mawala tayo, ma-continue nila, 'di ba? Mabayaran yung utang, 'di ba? Okay? Makapag-school talaga si bunso or 'di ba? Yung kids natin. Yan yung ibig sabihin dito. How much is enough, okay? So yan, pinakita din diyan sa book, 'di ba? Nasa protection, the solid financial foundation. Okay? So naka-highlight yan kasi may reason. So i-reveal ko mamaya kung reason bakit naka-highlight yan. So the next is long-term care. Do you know about long-term care? What if we live too long? So long-term care. Okay? So the most common cause of bankruptcy is health-related or medical expense, 'di ba? And in the Philippines, there's a lot of sick people die not because there's no medicine or treatment, but because they don't have money to pay healthcare costs. So napakasaklap, no? There's a sad reality, but we have to face it and we have to find a solution. And the good thing is, here in IMG, we found a solution for us, for Filipinos, for us, no? And, di ba, naka-highlight din yan sa Solid Financial Foundation dyan sa cover page ng book. So, kaya naka-highlight yon kasi yan ang major financial needs, no? So, what if we live too so we die too soon? Life insurance yung kasagutan. What if we live too long? Investment ang long-term care. So, that's the three major financial needs: healthcare, life insurance, and investment. And dapat natin masagot yan. Dapat natin ma-address yan as early as now. Okay? If may na-address na ka nandito, one of these, then you have to complete it. Okay? You have to address all. Right? And here in ING, this is the solution we have found. Okay? The Kaiser Health Builder Program. Hindi to product ni IMG. Walang product si IMG. We have a partner, Kaiser. Okay? And this is the ultimate solution on dealing with or addressing the three major financial needs already. Healthcare, may insurance, at saka investment. Okay? So sa plan na to na K100, is a basic plan. 7 years ka lang magbayad. Okay? And at the 20th year, mag-mature yung plan, may makakuha ka na sum of amount as an investment. Okay? And the good thing is, while you are saving for 7 years, 7 years lang mag-save ha? You have healthcare benefits already. And what if something happens to you in the first or second year, nagbabayad ka pa lang, ma-waive yung installment due to death. Meaning, ang waiver meaning, ma-fully paid yan. So 2 years ka lang nagbayad. Something happens to us. I-fully paid yan ni Kaiser. And Kaiser will issue a certificate of full payment, and it will be given to your beneficiary. And si beneficiary, mag-wait na lang yan until the 20th year to get the sum of money na ma-compound through the years. Okay? And well, you are here in the 28th year, 20 years to na plan, di ba? Na term. May term life insurance coverage ka. So sa plan na to, may 450K. So if accident yung cause of death, ma-times 2 yan. So maging 900,000. So sa plan na to, depending on the plan, right? Just ask the person who invited you, your friend, to discuss further of this program. Okay? So di ba, ang galing, healthcare, may insurance pa, at ito yung investment part. The 7th year, tapos na, di ba? Wala ka nang ibang gagawin. Just wait. Your money will compound, okay? Until the 20th year. And during the 8th year to the 20th year, may healthcare benefits ka rin. Okay? Outpatient, inpatient, ang dami, di ba? Pre-existing illness is covered. Dreaded illnesses is covered. Additional health benefit, long-term care benefit, and long-term care bonus. Ang dami, di ba? So, ang kagandahan is, pagdating ng maturity date, maturity year, to the 20th year, may 1.1 ka. 1.1 million. Okay? So, what if hindi mo nagamit kasi may short-term care ka, okay, in the first 7 years. So, pagdating ng 20th year, may 1.1 million ka. Okay? And kagandahan is, pwede mo bang let it stay to grow. And at the age of 60, naging 6.4 million. So, di ba ang ganda? May pera ka during your retirement years. Wala ka ng active income kasi wala ka ng trabaho dito. Pero may pera ka. So, how good is that? How good a program is that? No? Wala ka ng 7 years ka lang nagbayad, pero at the year na nag-retire ka, wala ka ng trabaho, may income, may pera ka. So if you let it stay until the 65th year, at the age of 65, naging 10.4. So this plan is the ultimate solution talaga, no? To deal with the three major financial needs: the healthcare, then the life insurance, and the investment. Okay? Ask the person who invited you, your friend, to discuss further on this program kasi this is the solution talaga. All right? Now, this is the total financial solution that we are talking about, no? Build up your solid financial foundation. And alam natin, no? Kanina, di ba? Yung healthcare natin is short-term plus long-term. Okay? Yung protection natin, 10 times our annual income. And yung utang natin, bayaran natin as soon as possible. And yung emergency fund natin, 6 times annual income if you're single, 12 times monthly income if you're married. And your savings and investment should be 20 times your annual income or monthly income, di ba? And or 20 times annual income. And you can invest in mutual funds to build up your savings and investment. Okay? And if you want to parang pabilisin yung pag-build mo sa solid financial foundation, increase your cash flow. Increase natin. How to do it? Sideline, negosyo. You can sell some things on the side, but here in IMG, we have a solution also. No? The business side of IMG. Okay, ito yung kagandahan ni IMG. We have a business solution na pwede mong gamitin to build up your solid financial foundation. Okay, be an IMG member, be an entrepreneur. No? So here in IMG, we have 48 exclusive membership benefits already. Okay, you can ask the person who invited you, your friend, to discuss further on these benefits. But this benefit can really upgrade your financial life. Okay, this benefit alone. Okay, 48 lang yan. 48 na yan kasi previously 35. Then naging 48 and every year nag-increase yan. So what are you waiting for? Okay, so be in a membership revolution kasi 'di ba? Nagpa-member ka sa Landers para makakuha ng mga discounts, 'di ba? Nagpa-member ka sa SM Advantage para makakuha ng discount pag mag-shopping. So dito sa IMG, you can get all these exclusive membership benefits. Okay? And if you are an IMG member, you have this portal also. So online na lahat, 'di ba? Yung sinasabi ko kanina, pwede mo nang i-access lahat dito sa online portal mo. Yung workshop, pwede mo nang i-access dito. Okay? Yung mutual fund mo, yung life insurance mo, dito na lahat sa portal. Right? And if you become a member, you get to access this established companies ng IMG. Okay? Gaya ng sinasabi ko kanina, walang product si IMG pero maraming partner. So kasi these partner companies are big companies na they also believe that what we're doing in IMG is a noble mission kasi tinuturo namin ang kaalaman. Then sila nag-support, no? Sila yung support to achieve our financial goals. And if you're a member, may access ka lahat nito sa healthcare, sa life insurance, sa investment, real estate, di ba? Ang lalaki ng company, Ayala Land, SMDC, malaking company. They partnered with IMG kasi they believe that IMG has a good cause, no? General insurance, okay? Allied services, no? Asset preservation and other services, no? So, saan ka pa, no? Right? So, if you become an IMG member, you get to have access sa lahat na ito, right? And that could help you jumpstart your or upgrade your financial life, right? And how to be part of IMG? Ito na, no? Just two options. Basic membership, you join, okay? You get a license and accreditation sa IMG, okay? And 50,000 burial and death benefit, may 100,000 accident benefit, free yan upon membership. And automatic may mutual fund account ka na online on your name. Wala ka ng ibang papers na i-sign up. Once you become a member of IMG, automatic may mutual fund account ka online. Okay? And financial education training and classes, yung mga workshops, di ba? Pwede mo lang, unlimited ka na access nun. Okay? And associate or advanced membership is join and own and share. Okay? So same thing, you'll access the membership benefits plus may sarili ka ng 4-in-1 package long-term healthcare yung Kaiser, di ba? And itong kagandahan nito, may financial broker business potential na pwede ka nang makapag-earn ng 6-figure income. So dito sa IMG, di ba? Kasi marami tayong mga partner companies na pwede natin i-distribute, okay? Or i-broker, okay? You become a financial broker here in IMG, okay? So for the amount of 6,000 lang, pwede ka nang maging member, okay? But we recommend itong associate kasi you become a member plus meron ka ng sariling Kaiser savings program. You jumpstart your own solid financial foundation already, di ba? 3 major financial needs. Andun na. Okay? So just talk to the person or let the person who invited you, your friend to discuss further on how to be part of this organization. And I welcome you in advance. Okay. So here in IMG, this is the business platform. I'll just sharing you in a brief discussion. Join, own, share. Okay. You join IMG, you become a financial educator by learning the basics of financial education, 'di ba? Yung mga concepts na pinag-usapan natin kanina, i-master mo, then you own your own Kaiser program kasi alam mo na it's important to you. Okay? And you share it to your friends, your family, because you care that they also need to know about the financial education, the mission, and jumpstart their own solid financial foundation. Okay? So just 12382, you can be a associate na. And once you become an associate, you have the 20% contract already. What do you mean by that? Dito sa IMG, we earn referral income, meaning hindi tayo makapag-earn sa sino mag-join, di ba? Kasi hindi tayo networking. You earn referral income, meaning nakapag-refer ka ng 5 friends, nakapag-refer ka ng family members mo to join and save, gaya mo, then you have a referral income of 5882. Pwede mo nang i-sustain sa savings mo. Right? 'Di ba? Ang galing, 'di ba? If you're still doubting na paano ko i-sustain yung savings ko, wala naman akong extra income dito. Extra income mo to. Okay? And if you have another more friends, 5 friends, you become a marketing director, tataas yung kontrata mo, 37% referral income. So that's 21,000 on the side. Okay? And if you come SMD, pinakamataas na kontrata is 47%. Saan ka hanap? No? A very big leap of the referral income or the contract. And that's 55,000 in 3 months. No? Part-time income. So I think this is a good, this is a good uh, money for you to start to pay off debt, di ba? Build up your solid financial foundation already. Okay? And this can help you really achieve your financial goals. While you are working, you are earning income, you're also earning uh, income on the side, right? So let the person who invited you discuss further about this IMG business. And it says here, what would you do if you knew exactly how to win? Sabi ng coach namin, okay? If you knew how to win in your finances, what would you do? Okay? What would you do if you know exactly how to win? So thank you, everyone, for your time. So this is time to take action already. Okay. So if you like the presentation, you like the concepts we are sharing to you, share it to your friends, share it to your family. Let them attend our what do you call that, seminars, our classes. We have daily classes from 12:30 to 9 o'clock. No, and make your most important move tonight. Okay, be a member of MG, and I welcome you in advance. Okay, so thank you, and I leave you with this quote. Okay, find something you believe in and put your life to fight for it. So meaning, if you believe that your work can make you achieve your financial goals, then fight for it. Fight for your work. Okay, for your job. But if you believe that IMG has you believe that what we are doing here in IMG can really greatly improve or upgrade your financial life, then put your life to fight for it. Okay, so thank you, everyone. You can connect with me anytime sa Facebook, sa Messenger, okay, on my phone, on my email. All right, and I hope I've shared something relevant to you tonight, and I'll see you in our next or our future seminars. And invite a friend, bring your families, and see you. Okay, God bless everyone. Have a great evening. Good night.